A lot of companies advertise an AC tune-up, but very few show you what that actually means. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly what we inspect during a professional air conditioning tune-up right here in Rancho Cucamonga. So before you book your service, you know exactly what you're getting. My name is Michael Picasso. I'm a military veteran and the owner of Love Home Services. And this is how we protect homeowners in the Inland Empire before summer hits. Here in the Inland Empire, summer doesn't ask for permission. By June, we're already seeing temperatures over 100 degrees, and your AC can run 18 hours a day. That kind of workload exposes every weak point in the system. A small electrical component failing in July can shut down your entire house when it's 105 degrees outside. A tune-up done in early spring catches those issues early. This can literally be the difference between a simple maintenance visit and a several $100 emergency repair. We always start outside at the condenser. First, we perform a full visual inspection of the cabinet, fan blade, and coil fins. Bent fins restrict airflow and force the system to work harder. Next, we remove debris around the unit. Leaves, dirt, and buildup can block airflow and cause the system to overheat. If the condenser coil is dirty, we clean it properly. A clean condenser coil alone can improve efficiency and lower energy usage significantly. Then we inspect and tighten all electrical connections. Loose electrical connections are one of the most common causes of AC component failure. Next, we check refrigerant pressure using professional manifold gauges. This tells us if the system is operating in the proper range for the outdoor temperature. If the pressure is off, it can indicate a refrigerant leak or an overcharged system. Both conditions reduce efficiency and can eventually damage the compressor, which is the most expensive component in the system. We record these readings so you have a baseline for future service. Now we test the capacitor and the contactor. These are the two most common parts that fail during peak summer heat. The capacitor provides the electrical boost that starts your compressor and fan motor. Over time, they weaken. Most capacitor failures happen on the hottest days of the year. We test it with a multimeter to make sure it's still within manufacturer specifications. Then we inspect the contactor, which is the switch that sends power to your compressor. If those contacts become worn or pitted, the system can struggle to start and overheat. Catching these early prevents sudden breakdowns in the middle of summer. After the outdoor unit, we move inside to the air handler. We inspect the evaporator coil, which is responsible for absorbing heat from inside your home. A dirty or frozen coil is one of the most common causes of warm air problems. Next, we inspect the drain pan and flush the condensate drain line. This prevents water backups and potential water damage inside your home. Then we inspect the blower motor and blower wheel. Dust buildup forces the motor to work harder, which reduces airflow and increases energy usage. Finally, we check the air filter. A clogged filter is one of the biggest causes of system strain and reduced airflow. We also verify thermostat calibration to make sure it's reading the temperature correctly and cycling properly. And we confirm airflow across your supply and return vents to make sure the system is moving the correct amount of air throughout the home. Everything we inspect gets documented. When we're done, we receive a written service report showing exactly what we checked and what we tested, and what we found. If everything looks good, we tell you that. If something needs attention, we'll explain and give you the options. No pressure, no surprises. Just honest information so you can make the right decision for your home. That's how a veteran-owned company operates. If you live in Rancho Cucamonga or anywhere in the Inland Empire, now is the best time to schedule your AC tune-up before summer heat arrives. Call Love Home Services at 909-762-8158 or visit lovehomeservices.com to schedule your total comfort tune-up today. I'm Michael with Love Home Services, and we look forward to earning your trust. Thank you.